In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV into Coda. If you've got information living in a spreadsheet or exported from another tool, a CSV file is the quickest bridge into Coda. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a plain text format where each line represents a row and commas separate the values into columns. It doesn't carry formatting or formulas, just clean, structured data, making it perfect for fast, reliable imports. Start by opening your Coda doc. You can use an existing doc if you already have one, or create a brand new doc if you're starting fresh. A blank page is all you need. There's no special setup required before importing. Now head to the upper right corner of your doc and click the three-dot menu, often called the More menu. This menu holds extra actions you won't see on the main toolbar, including the import options we need. Choose Import and then select CSV. This tells Coda you're bringing in a comma-separated values file. If your data currently lives in Excel or another app, just export or save it as a .csv file first so Coda can read it. Next, browse your computer and pick the .csv file you want to import. Take a second to confirm it's the right file, especially if you have similar versions, then click Open. For larger files, give Coda a moment to process. Coda will immediately create a table from your CSV data. Each column in the CSV becomes a column in the table, and each line becomes a row. In most cases, your header row becomes the column titles. Once the table appears, give it a quick scan. You can edit cells on the spot, rename columns for clarity, and change column types like text, number, date, or checkbox to make the data easier to work with. If something looks off, remember you can undo, adjust the CSV, and re-import. From here, you can put your data to work. Add formulas to calculate totals or percentages, create filtered views to focus your team, and link this table to other tables in your doc to build relationships and avoid duplicate entry. Because it's a native Coda table, everything stays in sync as you make changes. You can also sort, filter, group, and resize columns to improve readability, or move the table to a new page if you want a dedicated space for it. That's all it takes. Importing a CSV is a fast way to bring structured data into Coda so you can analyze, collaborate, and automate without starting from scratch. Try it with a sample file, and you'll be ready to bring your larger data sets into Coda with confidence.